What's up? We're back for day 2 of bowling on the hardest lane condition ever, the hand oil 60 feet, 80 mils, whatever it is out there. It's hand oiled. It's the same as yesterday. Before we get there, I need your help. I need your help fixing this number down here. It's not great. I want to get it as close to 50-50 as possible, and I need your help. So you guys got to hit that subscribe button down below and help me get that number close to 50-50. So yeah, let's get to Shawnee Fire Lake Bowling Center, and here comes day 2 of bowling on the hardest lane condition I have ever bowled on in my entire life. All right, well, we lost the first one, won the second one. Good thing, best of 3. So this game is for all the marbles. We got to make it to the round of 12 here if we win. So hopefully we can pull off a win here and bowl some good scores and make some spares. Alright, so we snuck away with the win last match. Now we get to bowl Pete and Shay again. We bowled them in the first round yesterday. We're going to bowl them again on the same pair, hopefully a different result. So let's get into match number 12 for us.
first career 1-9 spare. And he converts it.
We just beat Pete. On to the next match.
Remember when you said you weren't gonna 7-9? Or you haven't 7-9'd?
Happened the next shot.
Yeah, you 7-9'd.
Alright. And I watched a fucking Brooklyn Fest on the other side of the lane. Guy hasn't made one good shot on the left lane yet, and he hasn't missed. Happens every year at this tournament.
You know what's annoying? When Kevin fries out for 4 seconds and Packy blasts him. But you give the double birds,
Just
tell a
wait.
pin to suck his ass.
See? Spare the tempo on that. All right, so that was it. That was the end of our run at Shawnee Fire Lake Bowling Center. Simon and I finished in that 7th, 8th slot. We lost to James Patterson and his partner. I'm not really sure his partner's name. But they bowled really well. They bowled a good match. They hit the pocket a lot. They made their spares, and they ended up sneaking us out that last game. Simon needed a double in the 10th because I did not double in the 10th, so he needed a double in the 10th. And he ended up with that like upper decker 7th pin. Bad break, but it is what it is. 7th, 8th, we'll take the finish. And until the next one, I will see you guys on the next vlog, hopefully on some higher scoring conditions, because I don't know how much I can handle that. But until the next one, peace.